On the coronavirus watch, the Delta variant continues to spread, and Jackson County is shattering records for COVID cases and hospitalizations. It's a situation that is pushing hospital staff in our area to the brink. Thanks for joining us on News Watch 12 at 6 tonight. I'm Brian Morton. News Watch 12's Adam SCHUMES spent the day talking to public health officials. He joins us now live with an update. Adam?
Yeah, Brian, as we know, the coronavirus doesn't play fair, and it doesn't play games, and it doesn't pick and choose who it's going to affect and who it's going to affect. This is the state of Oregon reporting another 1,900 new cases today and a 40% increase in cases and the 5th consecutive week of hospitalizations on the rise. Meanwhile, Jackson County reporting another 247 cases. This is all as Jackson County Public Health is pleading with the state of Oregon and the OHA for more resources. I spent the day talking with Dr. Jim Shames about how they plan on doing that. They did ask for more resources such as ventilators and maybe the possibility of setting up a field hospital. We'll get to that in a moment, but Jackson County Public Health has asked the OHA for a number of things. Dr. Shames says there are a lot of places around the state that are in trouble, but as he puts it, Jackson County is in the most trouble. He told me that the county is to find a way to slow this down and get some relief for the healthcare workers who are doing everything they can. My thoughts are with you right now. This all comes as 145 people are currently in the hospital with COVID-19 and 43 are in ICU.
The granular work for that is happening between the hospitals and the Oregon Health Authority and the Department of Human Resources. We are doing everything we can to help, encourage, get the word out, but that's the problem that relates to the hospitals, and they're working on solving it. So I don't feel like I'm the appropriate person to give you timelines or how's it going, or, I know that they're actively.
Yeah, Dr. Jim Shames says this is the problem that we've been dealing with since the beginning of the pandemic. Patients sitting in the hospital don't need hospital care, who have nowhere else to go, and then you shift the situation to the nursing homes and their issues with staffing and regulations and infection control.
They are fighting this fight every day and putting their lives at risk every day to care for these patients and our community. And I would love to see people sit back for a minute and realize that they are still on the front lines, and it's getting worse. It's not getting better.
Yeah, all this comes as Jackson County Board of Commissioners sent a request to the state of Oregon for a field hospital in Jackson County. County Commissioner Rick Dyer says that if the state is unable to accommodate that request, another request will be made for FEMA to do it. Dyer said the expo has been listed as a potential place, but nothing is concrete. I plan on speaking with Jackson County Commissioner Rick Dyer tomorrow about the ongoing issue of getting the field hospital, what that will take and what that will look like, as well as where it will be placed. I'll have more information for you tomorrow. This all comes as those hospital healthcare workers are in dire need of support. They are in need of help right now. My thoughts are with you. Thank you so much for all that you are doing during this time of need, during the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Now, for those watching at home and still wondering how to get vaccinated, we have all that information for you on our website, kdrv.com, as we try to slow the spread of the Delta variant and the coronavirus. But for now, we're live in Medford tonight. I'm Adam SCHUMES, News Watch 12.